welcome back to my channel. I'm Coach Sarah with Array of Hope Health, and today we are going to be making Mrs. Criddle's Faux Reese's Cupcakes. These are absolutely a favorite to make at our house for when we are celebrating, and we are celebrating my son Porter and his graduation this weekend. And so I'm going to be making these up as an option for people who are coming to celebrate at our party. I have made these for my sister's wedding and they were a huge success. And so anytime I have a celebration, I always go the extra mile and make sure that I spend time making these. All right, so to get started, I did link the recipe in the description. And if you want to make a single batch, it will make 12 cupcakes. I'm gonna be showing you how to make a double batch, which will be 24 cupcakes. And this comes together really easy. You can get as fancy or as simple depending on what you wanna do for decorations, and I will give you guys some ideas. So I'm gonna throw everything into my KitchenAid mixer, and we are gonna start with all of our powders at first. We're gonna start with 3 1/3 cups of baking blend. We're gonna add 3 teaspoons, which is a tablespoon of the baking soda, 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Then we're gonna add 1 1/2 cups of cocoa powder. I do get my cocoa powder at Costco, and if you cannot find it because it is seasonal, you can get it online. Next, we're gonna add 3 cups of gentle sweet. I'm gonna go ahead and mix these together while we're melting our 1 1/3 cup of coconut oil. Now we're gonna mix in our coconut oil. Now we're gonna add in 6 eggs at room temperature. Okay, I mixed in the 6 eggs, and while this is mixing, I'm going to add in 2 cups of almond milk. I'm using the vanilla almond milk from Trader Joe's. Add in 4 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 pinch of salt, and then in my electric kettle, I heated up 2 cups of hot water. You don't want it to be boiling, so if it boils, just let it cool off for a minute. And then you're just gonna add this, and it's going to break down anything left in here so that it's very silky and smooth. Okay. Once this is thick, it should look like cake batter. So if it's still really runny, you need to let it keep mixing. It takes several minutes. Once that's done, you're gonna wanna put about 3 tablespoons into your cupcake holders. And what I'm using is parchment papers. I got these ones from Target, but they're just cupcake liners made of parchment paper. I highly recommend this for any Trim Healthy Mama cupcakes because they like to stick to regular cupcake liners. So if you want to save yourself a big old pain in the butt, and also if you want to save your really expensive, delicious ingredients, get the parchment paper ones. You can order them online. You can get them at Target. Okay, so I went ahead and lined all of my cupcake, and I have 24 ready to go. So I'm gonna just ladle these out, and then we're gonna throw them in the oven at 350 for 18 minutes, and then we will let them cool off and make our icing. Hey guys, welcome back. After you have taken your cupcakes out of the oven, I do put them on a cooling rack, let them completely cool before you ice them. To make the icing, we are going to use our food processor, and we're gonna start with adding 2 cups of butter. Then we're gonna add in 2 cups of gentle sweet. Using xylitol free, it is more finely ground. You can also use erythritol. You just want to make sure that you put it in your Vitamix and you blend it up really tiny, or you can get powdered sugar swerve. We're going to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 cups of pressed peanut flour. Then we're gonna add half a cup of almond milk. Then blend. Of course, take a little sample. It's perfect. All right, when you're all done, you will see that your icing is nice and thick and creamy. And then we are going to add it to a decorating bag. You can, if you're looking for simplicity, you can just take a spoon and just put some on each cupcake. If you want it to look more professional, then you'll want a piping bag. I am using a number 18 tip. You can use a number 21. I couldn't find mine, so I'm using what I have. And I'm going to go ahead and prep my bag. And I'm going to take my icing and I'm going to put it in my bag. Okay, once you get your icing in your bag, then you can start decorating. Then whatever you're serving them on, you can get out your serving tray, finish your decoration, and then you're ready to serve and enjoy. You do want to keep these refrigerated when you are not serving them. Okay guys, when you are all done, make sure, did you see that? Get back here, you stinker. You want to come show them? Make sure that you taste test it so that you know that you're serving an awesome cupcake to your guests. So you want to taste it for us? Will you let me know? What do you think? Does it get a thumbs up? You like it? Say all right, say thank you Mrs. Criddle for a very delicious recipe. We are super excited to serve this at my son's graduation party. They turned out so cute. Don't you guys love them? All right, guys, I hope this was super helpful. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. We'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.